Alright, so market recap and trade recap from, or not really a trade recap, from today, the Tuesday, January 20th, no trades Monday, break even today. Basically the trade idea was there's a 5-minute wick here, which I entered like right there. Stop was 20 points. I would have targeted midnight, probably, knowing my greed, low-key. Yeah, I probably would have targeted midnight, and I would have got break-even anyway, but, or actually, I probably would have break-even, saw this, and then this pump up, and then I would have got stopped in profit there, but here, this was just, like, 5-minute wick CE, clear draw, like, price wasn't really giving us anything. So I took this. I mean, it was just like a mid setup. I mean, I probably shouldn't have taken it. I mean, I got break even. Like, I knew it would give like a reaction, maybe not give the full move, which ended up what happening. It gave. It gave almost 80 points, so it was solid. But I ended up getting break even here. I went break even pretty quick just because of the fact that I wasn't that insanely confident in the setup, but yeah, and then I had I'll go back to NQ. So there's a 1 hour CISD here, which is what we ended up reacting off of, but I had a limit at this order block CE right here, which never got hit. I was kind of upset because I really wanted to see that get hit. And then there's this trade here, which if I go in my outlooks journal, if you look here, I'll highlight it. It says 316, maybe not going to take the home run for the day. I took my one break even. This was 316. As you can see, it printed. I would have targeted Asia highs, and I would have got stopped because it would have moved my stop here, and then I would have moved so I would have this, and then I would have had break even, and then this pullback, and then here, and then I would have moved the stop there, and here, and after this run, I would have moved my stop here, and I would have got taken out there. This is just dog shit PA, like good entry, dog shit PA, clear draw, dog shit PA. But what was this level off of? Was 0.62 of the fib. Just under the 10 a.m. key open, and then there was like a 5-minute gap as well. So I was like 62 the fib. We have a retrace to 10 a.m. open, clear draw higher. This low is pretty protected now, in my opinion, because the 10 a.m. manipulated into this PDA. 5-minute gap tap. Draw higher. Like, it was pretty clear. It was a pretty solid level, in my opinion. It did, and it gave 40 points, over 100. So, I mean, I guess I could have TP'd here, but like, my having house, like Asia draw, like this draw was clear as hell, and it aligns with their deviation too. So, and of course, like, look at this shit, bro. It's so ass. Yeah, that was that. I mean, I think this is gonna be low of the week, in my opinion. I don't really see us going lower. I only want longs until this NWOG is filled, or at least the CE actually of the NWOG is hit. So honestly, if this gets hit today, I'm gonna be pretty pissed. I can't lie. I mean, like, ideally, I'd probably want something like this, so that I can get in longs, because like the longs are so free, bro, so free. But yeah, that's about it for today. I think we're setting up for like a pretty clear like market maker buy model to fill this NWOG, and then obviously we have max expansion of this high time frame deviation, huge SMT at the low, we don't have an SMT anymore. I forgot about that. But yeah, that's about it. I've been learning YZ. Took some pretty good trades on gold here. Had these two, or I'm not only doing cow, but I shorted here, got out here. This would have been a good trade, but I just didn't see it. But I definitely would have taken it. It was super clean. And so I'm actually hyped, bro. I might start trading gold. I'm funded. I like low-key might jump the gun because of how good I'm feeling in the YZ model. But yeah, nothing crazy today. I won break even. I'm happy. You know, I sent in my draws. I wonder which of those got hit. So let's see, my draw was, I had the unfilled 1 hour, so 320 was a draw that got hit. And then I had Asia Highs as my other draw, which will probably get hit, to be honest. If price doesn't, that would just genuinely be so weird. And then I had this tap of that end dog as well. Bro, why does my indicator keep bugging? But yeah, bias was right, so I'm happy, bro. Bias was right, took our break even. Bad price action, sat out, didn't break my rules or FOMO in or do any emotional things. Just kind of saw that price action wasn't the cleanest, and I just kind of sat on the sidelines. So yeah, it does suck though because I didn't have school today, so it would have been nice to catch a trade because I wasn't having to stress about other things. But now, because of my schedule, I should be able to trade tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday. But I won't be able to trade next Monday, and possibly Tuesday and Wednesday. I don't know. It's gonna be tricky. Obviously, my goal is to get like another payout by the end of the month. But to do that, I'd probably have to trade gold, which I might do. I might just de-risk and go five micros instead of minis, to be honest. But yeah, that's it for today. So I'm gonna go journal and then get off and be done.